Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making vegetarian fried squash and oil roti. So we're gonna mix the roti first. I have flour, baking powder. Give that a mix. Then I'm gonna add the oil. And water. And I'm going to keep kneading the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm finished kneading the dough. I'm going to cover this and leave it for 1 hour. And then we'll put the oil in the roti. And I'll cover with the towel. Hi and hello to all of my subscribers and my viewers. Today I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for all of your support, your encouragement, and your wonderful and awesome comments. Thank you very much. It's been an hour for the dough. Now I'm going to put the oil in the roti. And the first thing I'm going to do is break them to the size that I would like my roti to be. I'm going to roll each one just to knead the flour a little. Now I'm going to put the oil in the roti. First I'm just going to flatten out the edges. I'm going to rub the oil. Sprinkle with some flour. And you tear the roti like that. And roll all the way around. Now you tuck the one end in and fold the other one in like that. And that is done. Now I'm going to continue doing this until we're all done. I finished putting oil in the roti. Now I'm going to leave them for 1 hour and then we will come back and make the roti. These are my squash from the garden. So the first thing we're going to do is peel them. You just have to cut them in cubes. oil is hot, I'm gonna add the garlic, onion, and wiri pepper. I'm gonna let this fry for 2 minutes. Now I'll add the squash. And I have all-purpose seasoning and black pepper in here. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna turn the squash. Cover it again and let it continue to cook. I'm going to add the salt now and the green onion. At this point I'll remove the lid so the water will dry out. I'm going to move the squash to the other side and continue to cook it on low. And then I'll start cooking the roti. It's an hour now for the roti. Start to make the roti. First you press out the edges. Now we're gonna rub oil on the first side. I'm gonna add 1 tomato only. And we'll let the squash continue to cook with the tomato now. Now we're going to put oil on the other side. And press the edges. I'm going to cook it one more time. And this is done. This is done. Put the roti. This is done. We're going to continue until we're all done. This one is done. The squash is almost done. As soon as the tomato is fully cooked, I'm going to remove the squash from the stove. The squash is finished cooking. This is the last roti, and we're done. And the roti is done. First I want to say hi Boom Boom, I'm smiling. Here's my oil roti and squash, vegetarian style. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.